Sanyatwe under attack as ZANU-PF factional wars escalate. Sanapenda mashoko kubuda panguva ine achimuka kunzi panguva ine Sanyato ofira yekuti he is an ally to VP Constantino Chiwenga. Panguva ine pari kuonekwa kunzi general vari kugaina support yakanyanyisa aiwa from the party itself. Sanapenda mashoko kubuda nyuko panguva ine ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Timina muna pana pamuda panyuko pachinzi. In the latest development, state security agents from the Central Intelligence Organization CIO, in conjunction with the Zimbabwe Revenue Authority ZIMRA, shut down 7 branches of Madada Liquor, an enterprise owned by Sanyato's son-in-law, Tenmo Mambondia. The raids carried out last week in Harare have raised suspicions of political persecution, particularly as the outlets were not given the chance to regularize operations, a standard procedure in normal enforcement cases. Mampondiani, who also serves as the ZANU-PF Youth League Deputy Secretary for Administration, has previously faced scrutiny. His fuel company, Liquid Cargo, recently came under fire over contested allegations that its fuel had damaged customer vehicles, though the claims were widely dismissed as politically motivated. But insiders allege that the claim down is part of a broader strategy. The Mnangagwa allies to neutralize figures loyal to Chiwenga in the succession race ahead of the 2028 elections. Sanyato is widely believed to back Chiwenga's presidential ambitions, positioning him as a threat to Mnangagwa's scam. Sources cited by Newsday claim the crackdown was orchestrated by senior ZANU-PF officials from Manicaland aligned with the Mnangagwa, including David Munowenyu, the chief executive of Discovery Ambulance Services, a company believed to be linked to controversial cleric Hubert Angel. Munowenyu is accused of collaborating with intelligence operatives to undermine Sanyato's influence by targeting his family's businesses. Domashwa arobda panguva ine achionekwa kunzi aiwa general Sanyato panguva ine kupinda ma1 ine comment section medu kutidze mafungiro enyu kuti ndi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like kucheta on the bell icon.